y'all, welcome to the Joy of Yoga. Today I'm going to be showing you different sits that you can do in your hammock on your yoga trapeze. Because we want to get comfortable with the different ways we can sit and hang in our trapeze. One of the most common ways would be to actually sit inside the fabric as though it were a swing. To do this, I like to take my hands behind my back, palms facing away from me with my thumbs facing in. So with that, I grab the fabric with my thumbs in, fingers out, and then I stretch the fabric apart so that way I know that I'll be able to slip it underneath my bottom when I go to jump up. So you can always grab a stool, or if you feel comfortable, you can just give a little hop and then pull the fabric right underneath your bottom. The most comfortable position to have it in would be to have it right underneath where your cheeks end, right where the hip bones or sits bones stop. And then when you rock back, you'll want to make sure that the fabric just sits right above the hips or right around the hips, not super high up your back. Another way to sit in the hammock would be, or I guess to hang, would be to use this just as a sling. So instead of sitting in the fabric, I would then just use it to wrap around my hips for me to stay in place. So I'll show you what that looks like from this side. Kind of the same concept. I would take my thumbs in, fingers out, and push it right around my hip bones. And then I'm going to rock back, making sure that my hips stay right over the fabric. So this is one way to hang, and then you can still kind of go through your usual stretches. I would say slightly less comfortable though than sitting in the hammock as if it were a swing. Another way you can hang on this is from the front, and then same thing, we're just gonna leave like a little strip of fabric so it's not super tight, and you don't want it round up and then it'll just kind of dig into your skin. I'm gonna give a little bit of a base here, and then now thumb in, fingers out, I'm gonna reach up and try to set my hips over the front of the fabric so the fabric's just below my hip bones. Then I let my feet go heavy and my torso go heavy. And then so from here, I can just do a simple hang, which might be kind of nice for some people if they're used to getting upside down and they're still a little bit nervous about it. Or you can even do special kind of arm stretches and side body stretches. And then I'll just go ahead and stand back up. Thanks so much for following along. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or requests below. Happy hanging.